Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. It's going to be a quick video to show you guys what it looks like when you have 30% rear tints from the factory and you want to go darker in the front, like 20% what I did. I couldn't find any pictures online, so I figured I'd upload one for you guys. I took the chance and luckily it actually matches. You can't even tell the difference, and now it's like dark all around. What happens is the light from the windshield equals out the windows in the rear, so they look exactly the same, and then you get the look you want. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.